Hello, writers. I'm going to talk to you about creating hyperlinks for your source material in OpEds. This is how I do it on Word. Mac might be a little bit different, but as far as I remember, it's pretty similar. So what we're going to do here, you see I already have some in here. This is, I put telling stories and dancing around a fire. So I was talking about the origins of storytelling around fires, and it goes to a science magazine. And you see what I did? I just highlighted two words and sometimes one word. So let me show you how I do this. And right now I'm just going to do something kind of random. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to put on socially distanced. Okay, the tank will be producing several, we got to fix that, several site-specific performances next season. So I don't think I would have to say what site-specific performances are, but if I want to add a tab for this or some information about this, I go then to insert. My dogs are going crazy. And then I go to hyperlink, and it has the text that we're going to use right here. It's already in there. We have highlighted it. And then I just cut and paste. Oops, that's a Facebook event, not the. Okay. Then I just cut and paste this article from HowlRound on site-specific performance. And usually what I do when I'm adding these is have all my links open in the on my browser, so I can just go into them and cut and paste them. So that's how you do it. Like, so here's home, you have insert, and it's hyperlink, right? And there might be other ways that you do this on a Mac. And if you have a Mac and it's not like this and you want to make a video and share it with the class, we would love that. Good luck writing.